Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to download and install Chrome Windows 11 2025. Open the current browser on your system, search for Google Chrome and access the official link. Here, click on the button Download Chrome. At the end of the download, click on the executable. You must click Yes. Let's wait for Google Chrome to be downloaded and installed locally on Windows 11. When finished, the initial window of the browser will open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.